Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I show you how to use feather in Photoshop to create smooth and natural edits. Okay. First open your image in Photoshop. Go to File, Open, and select your image. Then now select the area or object using any selection tool like the Lasso tool or Marquee tool. Selection tool as your wish. Example: I use optical marquee tool. Then hold shift, draw on your mouse. Go to the top menu, select, click on select, then choose modify and click feather. Set the feather radius based on your image size. For small image use 5 to 10 pixels. For large image use 20 to 40 pixels. Then click OK. Example, use 40 pixels. Click OK. Then create layer mask. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.